Coming to development of surfaces, so this is the diagram is given. This is the diagram is figure is given. From this figure, we have to develop the surface. That is the vertical plane. Front view is the horizontal plane. Top view. So this is the cone, the base in the HP, the base in the HP, and the axis is parallel to VP, parallel to VP. So first you have to develop the base. That base I made 8 parts. Base, the diameter is given, that is equal to 60 mm. With the 60 mm diameter, 30 as a radius, I have drawn the circle base. This circle made 8 parts. So I given name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. From these generators are projected. These projectors are drawn from G, D, F. They are passing through one generator, so that this is the projector. Another projector CG, they are passing through this generator, so this is the projector. At the same time here also BH passing through the same, so this is the projector. So this is the B dash and H dash. This is the A. You draw the projector. This is called A dash, B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash. Okay, of course O is also here, and D dash, F dash, E dash. So he has given the height of the cone. The height equal to 70 mm. This is the axis. So therefore you can draw the vertical line here, perpendicular to xy, perpendicular to xy. You cut it this vertical line with length of 70. With this point you join this A dash, O dash, and name it O dash. Join O dash, A dash, O dash, B dash, and H1 dash, and O dash, C dash, and G dash. Join line with O dash and D dash and F dash. Join the line with A dash and E dash. So these are the edges. Let us assume these are the inner parts. Let us assume just edges. They are not lines. Actually they are dotted line. There is no line, but there is the dotted line. So this is the slant. This is the outer edge. Now this the cutting plane is perpendicular to HP and 45 degrees to the HP, and that cutting plane passing to the midpoint of the axis. Therefore first you have to find out the midpoint. At this point you set up 45 degrees, and you draw this line. This is the cutting plane. I have shown here 45 degrees. Okay, this height equal to 35. Okay, 35. Total height is equal to 70. So this is the cutting plane. The cutting plane where it cuts these cone. I have given names 1. This is the point is 1. This is the 2 and 8. This is the 3 and 7. This is the 4 and 6. This is the 5. Okay, understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we can develop the bottom of this plane, surface area, or top of this plane, surface area. Whatever we want, we can develop. First we have to develop the entire cone. If it is expanded, if it is opened, let us assume at A, we have to open this cone. The cutting plane is going on like this, cutting this like this. How the surface is looking. So if you want to expand, open at A, this is looks like a sector. So therefore we have to find out this angle. This is a sector. Suppose it is looks like this, like this, like this, like this. So we have to find out this angle. We have to find out this angle. How to find out this angle? You see here. Theta equal to, this is the formula, 360 degrees into radius of the base divided by slant edge length. Slant edge length. Because the edge is two length. This edge is two length. So therefore 360 into base diameter equal to 60. So therefore radius equal to 30. Slant edge equal to 76.1. 76.1. If we take Pythagoras theorem, from that we can calculate this is the slant edge. This is the slant edge, because you know that radius, this is the 30, this is the 70. From that, if you use the Pythagoras theorem, this is the, let us say that this is the, this is the x, y, z. So we know that Pythagoras theorem, z square equal to y square plus x square. From this, z equal to y square plus x square. By using this formula, if you calculated, we can get this is the 76.1 mm. So if you simplify this one, we can get the 142 degrees, approximately 142 degrees. So this is the sector. This is the sector. We have to open this A to A. We can get the cone, the sector. So this is the theta. The theta is calculated equal to 142 degrees. So 142 degrees. That 142 degrees, I would like to make it to 8 parts. 8 parts. Why? Because I have made it this circle 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So therefore I have to make it 8 parts. So each part the degrees equal to 17 degrees 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Okay. So not circle, arc. Arc by actually how I have drawn this circle. That means you have to first you have to take this line. This is equal to slant length 76.1. 76.1. I can make, I set up here 142 degrees. 142 degrees. Then I have joined this one. I have joined this one. Like this, you have to draw this circle. You have to draw this arc. Draw this arc 142 degrees. I make it 8 parts. So therefore I have make it 8 parts. 8 parts 142 degrees divided by 8. So that each sector is 17.45. Now you have to set up this here 17.45 degrees. 45 degrees here. 17.45 degrees here. For 17.45 degrees you set up degrees here along this line. Suppose you got it, simply join this line. This angle is 17 degrees 45 minutes. Okay. Now once you set up one sector, you need not to go for the every time 17.45 measure. Simply you take it, this is a length, this is the length, and you cut it. You cut it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. This is the simple way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. Then you can join these lines. You join these lines. Now we can name it these points. This is the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. Please understand. Okay. Now I have opened at A. Okay. Now you see here how to cut these lines. So if you coming here, this is the two length. This is the two length. So therefore at 4 and 6 I draw a horizontal line with respect to XY onto this last edge of the cone, because it's the true length. At the same time, at 3 and 7 you draw a horizontal line onto last edge parallel to xy. At the same time, at 2, 8 you draw a horizontal line and extended up to last edge. At the same time, this is a 1, it is also you draw a, you need that to draw, or not required, of course you can draw, or not draw like this. Of course you can name it, this is the 5, yes, okay. You extended here, please look at here, this is the horizontal line, so that is the 4 and 6, name it, this is the 4 dash and 6 dash, this is the 5, okay. For 5 it will, because it is a it gives true length. So at 3 and 4, 3 and 7 you extended on the last slant edge, that is also called as a 3 dash and 7 dash. At the same time, this is also 2 and 8 is extended here, name it as a 2 dash, 8 dash, this is also name it here, this is the 1 dash, okay, 1 dash. You carefully see here. Now I would like to take it 1 dash 5, that is a generator of the edge of the E, so it is the extended from the E point. So therefore you see here E, where is E equal to this one, you cut it here, okay. Next O dash to 4 dash, and this is the 4 dash and 6 dash, 6 dash, the 4 equal to generator of this D and F. So at this point you cut it D and F, and this is the D, this is the D, okay. Next you coming to that 1 dash 3 dash 7 dash, that is the edge equal to 3 dash and 7 dash, 3 dash to 7 dash, this is the of this extended from the C and G. From here you cut it C and G, you cut it G and you cut it C. And next you coming to that here 2 and 8, you take it, this is the length 1 dash and O dash and 2 dash and 8 dash, that is the from the, that is B dash and H dash, B dash and H dash, B and H. So this is the center, you cut it H and B. Next it is 1 and 1 dash, O dash and 1 dash as a radius. This is coming from A and A, opened A, it is opened, so therefore you cut it A and A. You can name it these points. This is the O1, this is the 1, otherwise this make it, you can call it 1 dash and 1 dash. This is 2 dash, this is 3 dash, this is 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. These are the names. Now you can join. You join all these points. So you join in a curved manner, because it is a circle. That's why you have to join in a curved manner. Okay. Like this, you join. Like this, you have to join these points. You see here, 1 dash to 2 dash, 2 dash to 3 dash, 3 dash to 4 dash, 4 dash to 5 dash, 5 dash to 6 dash, 6 dash to 7 dash, 7 dash to 8 dash, 8 dash to 1 dash. Of course, depending on our requirement, if you want to remove this portion, you can remove. If you want to remove this portion, you can remove. If you want this portion, you can highlight this one. Or otherwise, if you want to remove this portion and this to be required, you can highlight this one. Like this, we can develop the surface of this truncated cone.